Hello Terrence and welcome back to what? Alright, let me start over. Welcome to the first episode of SFX. We came up with this idea of putting some cameras behind the scenes of Sick and Beautiful since the creative process it's one of the parts that take us more time, but also because it's one of the parts we like the most. I know there will be some hurdles and barriers. The struggle is real, starting from the simultaneous translation to Xenomorph to English. But more than ever before, being virtually close and sharing moments has become of a crucial importance, not only for you, the audience, but also for the creator themselves, meaning us. This is the first experiment, first of a long series, hopefully, in which I'll let you enter literally our studio ship, studio lab, home, spaceship, call it what you like, officially named as Kinorama Studio. Look it up. This quarantine, this COVID pandemic, it's a worldwide tragedy for multiple reasons. Of course, first of all, the suffering of the people. And in my small world, I discovered that my creativity is the only one magic pill I have to kill sadness. And I'll tell you more. The sentence "I make art for myself," to me, it's only half true. It only makes sense to me if myself it's part of a community. I personally needed to start this path to remain in touch with all of you since touring is now impossible. I know we must stay home. Fortunately, I have a super cool home here, but we also must do what keeps us alive. I mean, don't kill heart, don't kill joy, don't kill the pleasure to be in touch with the people you love. Don't let yourself be down for sadness. Don't let either COVID or sadness kill us. Why this sentimental tirade? Because I really needed to share positive content and I really needed to put a smile on my face, not only for you, but also for myself. To really feel myself sick and both beautiful, I really need to keep my Terran friends close. But enough talking, I'm not here to give out a big speech. Let's go straight to my heart therapy hour. This is not a tutorial, I repeat, this is not a tutorial. Sick and Beautiful are a hotbed of ideas, and to make these ideas come to life, we always need funds, most of which always go to repair the busted engine of our spaceship, so we can start again our journey. So today I will let you in some of our secrets and how we create while saving on time and materials and ultimately money. Let's go straight to work. Alright, let's begin with the creative process. I'm here to explain what are we gonna do now. I still don't know what I will use since I'm in quarantine. I got no more materials. I cannot buy anything, so I will try to be creative and I will use what I have here in my lab. That's the idea I had a few days ago. I made this sketch while listening for the first time to one of our new songs. I was very excited and I was thinking about the perfect video and the perfect costume, and I came out with that, which is some kind of a headpiece made of dish antennas and a replica of my face open in the middle with a straight cut. So that's the challenge of the video, to complete at least the face piece, so you will see an anticipation of what will I wear in the next video. I mean, I just want to have fun, you know? I'm not here to actually work, because I am creating while I'm talking to you. I had no plans, no project. I'm here in full brainstorming mode, so you will see me try. That's my life cast. That's the interior and that's the exterior shell. And yes, that's how we made it. It was summer and I was sweating inside of the silicone for about an hour. Alright, that's day one, part one. And here I am, welcome back to me. Round 2. I need to wear my mask on. The product I'm gonna use right now is pretty dangerous to breathe. It's like a powder to make everything thicker. I need some more thick silicone to solve the problems I had with the mold. This part is called sealing. It's like a dead meat, so it has a darker color. Because I cannot go outside, cannot go to buy anything since I am quarantined, so I will use what I have. Alright people, I really had so much fun shooting this video and I hope you liked the result. If you like to see something in particular, you're curious about something, just put a like and heart down here below and ask with a comment what you would like to see in the next episode. Stick with the sick.